Everybody, welcome back to Epic Beauty Fail. I'm Jessica. In today's video, I'm going to be unboxing my June 2019 Allure Beauty Box. So let's go ahead and get into it, shall we? I'm going to open up the box. That is what it looks like when you first open it up. There is a couple of cards in here, so I'll pull those out. And this is the little booklet that comes in the Allure box. It does have all of the little products, not little products, all of the products that are in the box. So I will be referring to this as we go. I'm going to go ahead and pull this item out because it's outside of the package first, but this is what the bag looks like. It's super cute though. Like, maybe it's just me, but I think the fluorescent green's pretty. Like I said, maybe it's just me. So I'm going to go ahead and pull this item out first. It is the item that's outside of the package. This is from SGX NYC. The Do It All 3-in-1 Dry Texture Spray. Volume, refresh, and hold. Dry shampoo meets hairspray. There it is. Okay. Oh, this is a bonus. This is a bonus. I'm looking through all the items and it's actually on the back. So this is actually a bonus. It says SGX presents the Do It All Dry Shampoo meets hairspray. That's pretty nice. I won't use it. I will put it in my giveaway drawer so one of you guys will get it. But it's nice to get a bonus every once in a while. Allure does sometimes throw a bonus in there depending on what they get from their suppliers and so forth. So again, here's the little package. I think it's cute. I think it's cute. All right, I'm going to go ahead and pull this item out first. What is this? This is the Context Vitamin C All Day Eye Serum. Right, so that is what it looks like. Actually, I probably should twist it this way. There it is. Let's see. All right, so it is kind of oozing out. That's not great, but it's fine. I'm going to put the lid back on really quick. It is just a clear gel. I'm not sure if the camera will focus enough on my finger for you guys to see that, but it is just a clear gel. Feels nice. All right. What does the little booklet say about this product? All right, so this is the Context Vitamin C All Day Eye Cream. Where has this slightly cooling, never irritating eye savior been all my life? I love using it for midday touch-ups. I just squeeze out a drop and pat it over my 3 p.m. concealer. A few soft taps even out late day crustiness, wipe away mascara smudges, and generally make my eyes look happy and hydrated again. It's also an ace makeup base because, ignore the name, it's not a cream, it's a gel. It dries quickly but not tightly, and I notice slight depuffing and subtle brightening immediately after using it. Its active ingredients are vitamins C and E, star antioxidants that guard against pigmentation and collagen breakdown. So there is a discount code for this item. Go to contextskin.com, enter Allure25 at checkout to receive 25% off your entire order from June 1st through August 1st. So there you go, an eye cream, which is a gel, which is great. Okay. Next item in the bag is this one right here. This is from Avene, the Eau Thermale Thermal Spring Water. Yeah, that is what it looks like. Okay. So this is the Eau Thermale, or thermal, I don't know, Avene Thermal Spring Water. This hydrating facial mist will be in my purse from now until Labor Day. I take it everywhere because it's great for soothing hot, irritated skin, aka my face, all summer long. The can is filled with thermal spring water from Avene, France, hence the name. The water there is naturally rich in minerals to help nourish sensitive skin like mine, and since it's truly only water, it's fragrance free. It takes only 2 or 3 spritzes to revive my face when it's hotter than hot out. But even in our air-conditioned offices, I often reach for it when I hit an afternoon slump. It instantly refreshes my makeup and my mood, and makes me look dewy quickly, which is more than I can say for coffee. So if you go to avenusa.com, enter code ALLURE20 at checkout to receive 20% off your entire order from June 1st through August 31st. I am going to go ahead and open this up because I'm curious if it is a pump or an aerosol. My guess is that it's an aerosol by the way that the packaging is. Yes, yes it is. It is an aerosol. Let's see what it looks like on my face, or how it feels on my face. Ooh, that feels nice. That feels really nice. It is cooling, amazingly enough. And I don't smell anything, which is fantastic. So I like that. I like that a lot. Okay, let's go back into the package here. Pull this next item out. This is from Floss. It's called My New Favorite Lip Gloss, and it looks like it's in the shade Yule. Y-U-L is what it says on the bottom of the package. Let's see. Yes, it is see-through almost. So, all right. I actually just put lip gloss on because I just finished filming another video, but ooh, it smells like candy. It smells like candy. And literally all this is completely and utterly clear gel. There it is on the back of my hand. Completely clear. Okay. So this is from Floss. It's my new favorite lip gloss. I've been hoarding lip gloss like it's 1999, and Floss, my new favorite lip gloss, has lived up to its name. Here's how. The formula is thin so it feels lightweight and comfortable on lips. The doe foot applicator spreads the gloss on easily without creating a sticky mess. And the tube is squeezable, so you can use every single drop of product. But the most winning feature has got to be the shine factor, which is somewhere between a balm and a gloss. It makes my lips look healthy and plumped with a pretty sheen that's more versatile than a full-on lacquer effect. My eye makeup is never the same 2 days in a row, so having a low-key lip product that pairs well with whatever look I come up with is essential. So if you go to flosscosmetics.com, enter Allure15 at checkout to receive 15% off your entire order from May 25th through September 30th, limit 1 per customer. What's interesting is that now I pulled that out, I've got a bunch of air bubbles in there. A bunch of air bubbles in there. Okie dokie. Back into the little bag. I'm going to pull this out next. This is from Moroccan Oil. It is the Moroccan Oil treatment for all hair types. So I'm assuming this is a hair oil. I will definitely use this. I've been using hair oil a lot lately. Okay. So this is the Moroccan Oil treatment. My processed hair drinks up this silicone-based oil. So even if I accidentally put on too much, the effect is never greasy. When my hair is damp, I use my fingers to rake a quarter-sized blob from my roots to my ends to tame flyaways and frizz. After blow drying, I usually smooth on a nickel-sized blob, focusing on the ends of my hair. I also use it on days when I don't wash my hair. On those mornings, I often wake up looking like Einstein, so I put a couple of drops on my ends to help weigh down my hair. And the smell, so nutty and warm. I'm going to open it up and smell it. I want to smell what it smells like. All right. I don't know that I would say nutty, but all right. All right, there's one more thing in the little plastic bag. We're going to go ahead and grab this out of here. This is from the Brow Gal. And... All right, so there's a spoolie at one end, and at the other end, the reason why I'm saying is, could you see that? They actually have a sharpener built into the lid of the brow pencil. So that's very, very interesting. I find it interesting. Very handy, actually. So this is in the shade medium brown. I actually don't have any brow products in right now. I don't know, y'all. This is really hard. So that is what it looks like. It's really hard, though. All right, I'm going to read to you from the booklet, and then I'm going to put this in my eyebrows. So this is the Brow Gal Eyebrow Pencil. A lot of brow pencils are so creamy they can look fake, but not this one. It has the perfect waxy consistency for creating believable fullness that's not too heavy or too uniform. I always focus more color on my arches than on the rest of my brows, which is a tried and true makeup artist trick for achieving natural looking gradation and avoiding the dreaded angry brow look. You can get this at thebrowgal.com, Enter Allure19 at checkout to receive 10% off your entire order from June 1st through August 31st. All right, I'm going to move my Allure box down out of the way. Let's see what this looks like. I'm going to go ahead and use the little brush. I've gotten Brow Gal products before in other beauty boxes, and I've liked the ones I've tried so far. So let's go ahead and see how this looks. I don't think the shade's bad. I mean, I don't normally go this dark with my brows, but occasionally I will. It's not that it's terrible for my shade of brow hair. Okay. I did not feel that it was too hard in my brows. Even though it felt very hard in the back of my hand, I don't feel like it was too hard going on my brows. So that actually was really nice. Okay, that is everything that is in my Allure box for June 2019. I got the Brow Gal brow pencil, the eye cream from Context, the Eau Thermal spring water from Avene, or Avene I guess is the name, the Moroccan oil, and the Floss lip gloss. This doesn't blow me away, to be honest with you. Is it bad? No, absolutely not. It's not horrible. It's not a bad box, but it definitely doesn't blow me away. They've definitely had better months, but I do try to take into account that, you know, not every month can be absolutely fantastic, and this is not a bad box. It's just not as good as some other ones. So I do always enjoy Allure. I am excited about the water. I'm excited about the brow pencil. The other three items, I don't know. The Moroccan oil, I will definitely give a try. I've been using hair oils a lot on my hair recently, so I don't know. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section down below. What do you think of the Allure box for June 2019? I would love to hear your thoughts. Anyway, if you liked the video, please give me a thumbs up down below. If you haven't already, please hit that red subscribe button and don't forget to hit the little bell to notify you when I upload new videos. And if you have any comments, let me know in the comment section down below. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you on the next Epic Beauty Fail. Bye!